Which of the graphs represents the following two linear equations? Let's start by putting both of these linear equations into our slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b, where m is equal to our slope and b is equal to our y-intercept. Starting with this first one here, x plus y equals 3. We want to isolate y, so let's do the opposite operation. X is being added to y, so we need to subtract x from both sides. These will cancel, giving us y equals negative x plus 3. So that's our first graph put into slope-intercept form. Our second graph, x minus y equals 1. Let's do the opposite operation to y. Y is being subtracted, so let's add y to both sides. These y's will cancel, giving us x equals 1 plus y. And then to isolate y, 1 is positive. The opposite would be subtracting it from both sides. So we're left with, and let me flip y over here real quick. Y is equal to x minus 1. So these are our two graphs. I'll rewrite them over here. Y equals negative x plus 3 and y equals x minus 1 so that we can compare them. Our slopes are opposite. One is a negative 1x and one is a positive 1x. So if we have a graph that is going in the positive direction and a graph that's going in the negative direction, they are going to cross and form an x, which means that answer choice C and D are incorrect. These both have a positive slope and these both have a negative slope, which does not match the graphs that the linear equations that we made here. Then we need to look at our y-intercepts. We need a y-intercept at positive 3 and negative 1. If we look at answer choice A and B, we can see that answer choice B is the only one that satisfies these y-intercepts, and that makes B our correct answer.